Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to cut some agates that I found in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that one where I go to the river and find some awesome agates, go have a look at it and come back here and we'll cut those agates and see what's going on inside. That's actually turned out quite well. Bit of staining at the top there, which I suppose is from iron, but some really nice fortifications around the edges there, and some cool crystals in the middle there. I was hoping it'd be amethyst, like purple quartz, but it looks see-through to me from here. Yeah, not a bad one at all. Yeah, I'll definitely polish that up. There's the bit that it cut off. Nice little thin sliver. That was a pretty cool cut. It's got a hole in it. Oh, that's turned out really well. Look at that. That is so cool. That is so much better than I expected. Look at those crystals inside there. That's a really good one. That's definitely going to be polished. Did not expect that inside. Yeah, that's a beautiful one. Yeah, that's a bit of a boring one. Not an awful lot going on there. And it's got a crack going through the middle there. Yeah, just some clear chalcedony fortifications that I can see. Yeah, there's a bit of green moss going on there. Yeah, it's not bad looking. At least it's not plain. Oh. I think those are green mossy bits in there. Don't see any fortifications, but yeah, it's a bit of yellow on that side too. Don't know if it's going to come out on video. But yeah, some green bands going there and some yellow plumy things there. It's a nice surprise. Not a bad piece of seam agate, that. Not super exciting. There's a few little weird inclusions over there. Let's cut the next one. That's actually quite a cool one. That's beautiful. Look at those colors. There's even some reds in there. Oh, that's... Look at that over there. That is really cool. Well, this one's definitely going to have to be polished. Here's the other side of it. Oh, that's really unexpected. I didn't think it was going to be that good. This 12-inch blade I've got on here, this no-name brand blade, has jammed again. So you can see it's just cut halfway through the agate and jammed. So I'm going to replace it with this THK one, which is a much better quality, I think. I've never had any issues with it. It's slightly smaller, but yeah, I've ordered a bigger one of this THK brand, which seems to have a lot more diamond in the sintered area there. Yeah, so I'm going to replace this one now, and then when the bigger 12-inch one comes, this is I think 8 inches, so when the 12-inch one comes, I'll swap them out again. Okay, I've got the other blade on there, so yeah, let's try and cut that agate again. Well, I didn't have the oil level right, so it didn't do it. Yeah, it was quite a bit of a noisy cut, but yeah, let's see what it came out as. Oh, I really tightened this one in. I didn't want it to move. Yeah, it's not a bad one. It's not a bad waterline agate. Better than I thought it was going to be. That's actually a pretty cool one. Love those red plumes in it. Yeah, that's beautiful. I didn't expect it to look that good. There's the other side. Not all that much on that side, but yeah, this side's cool. Yeah, it's quite an interesting one actually. It's almost got some, almost like some eyes forming over there. Do you hear that? It's not bad. I wasn't expecting much from it, but yeah, there's some patterns in there. Might look good after a bit of a polish. Yeah, there's the other side. Not bad. I thought it was just going to be a boring bluish coloured clear chalcedony, but yeah, there's something going on there. There's some water lines going on there. You can see it better on this side. That's actually been cut. I think you can see it better, but yeah, there's definitely some water lines over there. Managed to cut a tiny little thin sliver off there. So yeah, we've got a pretty nice face over there. Still got quite a bit of the agate left. I was trying to miss the cracks. There's quite a few cracks running through it. Yeah, it looks like we did. You might have noticed that I didn't cut this agate, the one with those cool holes in it. I'm actually gonna try and polish the one side flat and see if we can see what's going on inside. I don't want to cut through it. It's got such beautiful formations. Those holes go almost all the way through, so there's no way for me to cut it without damaging that. I've actually just come back from the river where I found some more agates, so keep an eye out for that video in the future. It should be there in the next week or two. Stay safe and I'll see you on the next hunt.